YouTube, listen up. We got your boy Ethan in the building. He probably don't know that I looked on his Instagram and seen that he was an aspiring barber. Or are you a barber?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. See, that was my. It looked like he, he looked like he was beginning, but yeah, you are though, right? See, I'm kind of right on that. But he's beginning. About to give him a drop fade, keep the shape, and yeah, new client. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
So you always want to prep the hair before you actually start cutting. So my client wanted most of his hair on top. He's only going to be cutting a little bit off. So right now I'm pinning up the hair, separating the top from the bottom by putting in my duck clips. So right now, starting off, I'm gonna set in my bald line using my cordless Oster fast feeds, and I'm gonna set in my bald line with the lever closed, right? Now, I could use my trimmers. Most of the time you guys see me use my trimmers, but on this one, I wanted to show you guys that you could also use your clippers with the lever closed as well. So right now, I'm gonna drop the bald line in the back and doing it in a drop fade style. So I have a lot of bulk on the top. So right now I'm just gonna go right in, taking off all that bulk. But this time I'm gonna clipper over comb, basically to set my shape in before I actually start fading. Now with the lever open, I'm gonna go up about a ½ inch. I'm gonna keep it consistent all the way around, making sure that I go over the guideline multiple times so it's at that lever open length. Now with the one guard open, in the same way that I set in the lever open, I'm doing the same thing with the one guard with the lever open. I'm not digging in, I'm actually kind of scooping out, going straight up, running that clipper right off of my client's head. with the 2 guard, with the lever closed, I'm going straight up off of his head, not really digging in. It's not like I'm giving him a undercut. Even though I am giving him undercut, I'm still gonna have some of that bulk at the top. Dropping back down to the 1 guard open, I'm cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. Now putting on the 0 guard with the lever closed. In a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind that you want to start below the line and flick to the line. And if you need to go any higher, adjust your lever as you go up. So same thing that you did with the 0 guard closed is what you do with the lever closed. All right, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Keep in mind that you want to start below the line, flick to the line, and if you need to adjust your lever and you want to go higher, adjust your lever as you go up. So next I'm gonna work on the top. He doesn't want that much cut off. I'm gonna take off probably like a 1/2 inch, not gonna take off that much at all. He still wants to keep this style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saturate my client's hair with water. I'm gonna work down the middle first. I'm gonna take the middle, cut off about 1.5 inches, or a 1/2 inch, I'm tripping. Cut off a 1/2 inch and basically use that middle piece as a guideline to cut everything else off. All right, so I'm just gonna speed this part up. Next, I'm gonna blow dry and style in the direction that I want the hair to go in. So before I actually line up, I like to prep the hair in front first. So I'm gonna take down the hair to a 1, and it just makes everything lay down, and it makes it more neater. It makes everything more neat. Oh my goodness. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he's on the beat. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chit.